Welcome to the 2022 Snake Discovery Halloween Costume Contest. We have contestants from all around our zoo who will be showing off their best costumes on stage for your entertainment. After the contestants have all had a turn to show off what they came up with, we need you to vote on your favorite costume. So, without further ado, let's begin the 2022 Snake Discovery Halloween Costume Contest!
Our first contestant is Gandalf, the false chameleon, as Elsa.
Wow, look at that hair.
He looks positively ecstatic to be part of this event.
That hair looks just like Elsa's braid, too. A little mohawky there, but overall looks pretty accurate.
I was talking to him backstage, and actually Elsa is his favorite Disney princess.
Is that part of Elsa's scalp attached to the hair?
Along with the hair, we have him in a nice icy blue dress.
Did he scalp Elsa to get her hair for this costume?
All right, get off the hair. We need to let it go.
Oh my god, it's not even staying on. Look, it fell off.
That poor guy in a wardrobe malfunction.
Okay, well, here was Gandalf, the false chameleon, dressed as Elsa.
Next up, we have Oprah Skinkfree, the blue-tongued skink, as a witch.
She's adorable in that costume.
She is very cute, and her tongue matches the costume.
Oh yeah, look at that. You know, do you think it's hard to fly a broom with those tiny little legs?
Oh, I can't imagine. Oh, it also looks like the budget finally got fixed. We have pumpkins on set.
Oh, what is she? Oh
Uh-oh.
no. Oh no. This is a family-friendly
Oprah.
channel. Kids, cover your eyes. We have a nudist on the loose.
And she's just sitting there. Oh no.
Oh no. Well,
Next contestant. Our third contestants are Allie and Howie, the black and white tegus.
And it looks like they came dressed as a bumblebee and her flower.
Uh-oh, I'm seeing some stage fright here.
They don't want to. Oh, that'll keep them on stage. Thank you, stagehands, for bringing some food.
Howie is actually a new addition to the Snake Discovery family who was brought in through our adoption program.
Aw, Allie, do you like Howie? We hope you do.
They are adorable with those headdresses.
Yeah, the sunflower hat and the antenna.
Oh.
Yeah, those are adorable. Is she falling asleep on stage?
She's been there for a little while now. She's tuckered out.
Oh no! The antenna fell off.
Thank you, stagehand.
Oh, phew.
Wow, that was a close one.
Crisis averted.
What is she doing?
Is she? Oh, she found an egg.
Aw, and she gave it over to Howie. What a well-mannered tegu.
Oh, I think she changed her mind.
Our stagehand is a little fearful.
Yeah, I would be too.
Oh.
Oh, now you get to see how great of an eater Allie is. Come
Well,
on.
she got it down in like one try there.
She did. Come on, Bumblebee, Allie, you can do. Yeah, there you go.
I think Howie's done with this performance. Our next contestant is Sharon, the sulcata tortoise, dressed as Bowser.
That is awesome.
She's ready to go out there and kick Mario's butt.
I heard she kept trying to eat the pumpkins on set, so they had to put another vegetable out there for her to eat instead.
Oh, I heard she was just stealing Princess Peach.
Looks like she's having some issues eating that vegetable. Huh, get it, Sharon.
I like how the hair is not connected to her head.
Well, it still does the trick though. It looks like Bowser's hair. I mean, I think it works. She's still not eating that lettuce though.
You think she has a room full of lava she pushes people into?
Probably. I can hear her stomping her way towards, wait, she's got an itch.
Oh yeah. She's getting ready to spit a fireball.
Here she comes. Here
That
comes
is an awesome red mohawk.
Bowser. Sharon's on the move. Oh no.
Darn it.
She's leaving the stage. Uh-oh. I think she's coming for us.
Oh no.
Oh no, Sharon!
She's coming to steal Princess Peach.
No, Sharon! Bowser, Sharon! Go away! She's out to get us!
The wobbly spike makes it. Oh, our next contestant is not in her costume yet. It looks like she's looking for her mom.
Yeah, oh, there she goes. She's gonna get in costume now.
Our next contestant, as you saw for a split second there earlier, is Omnomlet, the hognose snake. And what is she dressed as today?
According to the spreadsheet, she's dressed as "there's a snake in my boot."
Can you even be dressed as a phrase?
I mean, she did it. She looks adorable.
Yeah, she does.
She fits perfectly in that boot. Oh, she's doing long tongue flicks too.
She's a little upset. Or she's just playing into it.
She might be. She has the perfect personality for a sassy character like this.
Is there supposed to be a Woody doll with her, or?
There was, and apparently stagehands couldn't find one.
Oh no. She does seem to be trying to get as far into that boot as possible, though.
Aw, I think she's adopting this boot as her new home.
Oh no, scared stagehand.
There it goes. Scared of a snake, of course.
Ah, stupid stagehands.
Aw, look at that face.
How could you be afraid of that?
She's so cute. There's Omnomlet.
Our sixth contestant is Dragon Cheyenne.
Cheyenne! Oh my god! gosh!
Really cute in that.
Oh, look, she has wings now.
Wait, what?
Wait.
She had wings before.
Oh, yeah, good point. But now she has a tail. Oh, rawr, Cheyenne.
Do you think that costume is a bit of a burden to her?
Oh my gosh, we're doing bird puns now? Okay, well, two can play at that game.
She's so cute that should be illegal.
That one flew over my head. Sorry.
Wait, when did she die?
Oh no, we've slayed the dragon, Cheyenne.
She's like ripping off her own head. That's kind of morbid, Cheyenne. Oh my
she's
gosh!
back. Oh no, she's coming right for us. Aww.
And now she's a good little girl.
Oh.
There she goes. Our final contestant is Rex, dressed as alligator Loki.
Look at her go, walking around. Oh, well.
She stumbled a bit there.
There she goes. Okay, just laying down right in the middle of the stage.
I'm sure the directors are very happy that she's sitting right there.
Yeah, I heard she was a pretty rambunctious alligator to get out of her exhibit. And
Yeah, I don't think she really wanted to wear the horns either, so...
But they fit her perfectly. She's
Yeah.
rocking them now.
She looks good. She really wanted to go as Thor, which is her favorite Marvel superhero, but she really couldn't lift Mjolnir.
Yeah, she wasn't worthy of it, so instead she went as Loki, which fits her personality even better.
Yeah, she's a trickster and he's a trickster, so...
Look at those horns. Someone pretty talented must have 3D printed those in his office.
Let's not talk about the 3 prints that failed.
Ooh, look at her teeth too. Those are pearly white. She must be brushing those quite often.
There you go, kids. If you want perfect white teeth, eat a lot of raw meat and brush your teeth twice a day.
There you go. That's the secret to success. Oh,
I guess
Okay.
she's done.
apparently Rex is done. And there goes alligator Loki.
She's slowly walking off. She knows she's a star.
Yeah, she is just taking
She's
her
like,
time.
look at my beautiful tail.
Yeah, I will decide when I'm going to leave. Come on, Rex. You can do it.
Do it. There we go. Rex has left the building.
And there are all of this year's contestants. Now it's up to you to vote for which animal had the best costume. Will it be Gandalf the False Chameleon dressed as Elsa? Oprah Skinkfree the Blue Tongue dressed as a witch? Allie and Howie the Tegus dressed as a bumblebee and sunflower? Namlet the Hognose dressed as There's a Snake in My Boot? Sharon the Sulcata Tortoise dressed as Bowser? Cheyenne dressed as a dragon? Or Rex dressed as Alligator Loki? Go to our YouTube community page to vote. The winner will be crowned the 2022 Halloween Costume Champion. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. As always, thank you to our amazing Patreon backers for your very generous support. Your contributions actually made this costume contest a reality this year, so thank you all so much, and we at Snake Discovery hope that you all have a very happy Halloween.
Aww. As soon as I zoomed in, his hat fell off. Whoop. Instantly out of it.
Beautiful.
Can you fix this flower?
I can't even see the flower. We might need a hand from above for that. Oh. Oopsies.
And he's out of his thing, but he's still got his flower on.
Does it look like a long flowy dress?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can't even see him right now. Yeah, that's probably, it looks like he's just got a mullet, but they seem like they don't want to be here at all.
No, they do not. Rex, where are you going?
I think she's sleepy and she likes her horns.
Yeah, I think she does like the horse. Are you gonna sleep right there in the corner?
I don't want you to go underneath that table.
Yeah.
It would be a nightmare to get out of there.
Yes, you would. You were a good girl for this.
Yeah, you were.
Yeah. You're a good girl, Rex.
And you wore the horns great.
Yeah, those
I was
fit.
expecting you to like whip them off.